So we got two projects going on. I'm rewiring, total rewire of this car, 67 Camaro. Doing a painless wiring kit on it. I did one for 64 Nova for a friend of his, and he liked it, so I'm doing a painless wiring kit on this. Plus I got to fix the brakes. The brakes are locking up and it's not running good. It's got this quadjet on it. He has a Holly carburetor getting rebuilt right now for it, so but I'm gonna do the wiring first because that's the biggest part of it. And then his brake, like I said, his brakes are locking up, and my man Jamon is over here working on his car. We're tubbing that out. So we got two projects going on at one time. Hard at work, starting fires. Okay, so the only light that works on this whole car, as far as exterior lights, is this left headlight. Nothing else, no other lights are working. And as I was checking the lights, I realized that it has a new style, or newer style, steering column. This is a later model steering column. I don't think this car came with cruise control and all of that stuff, but that's what it has in it. So, oh, I do have a couple lights on the dash. I don't know what this. I guess this is the. Oh yeah, and the horn blows when you push on the steering wheel. You push on the steering wheel, the horn blows. I don't know what that red light on the dash is for. When I hit the dimmer switch, the headlight gets real dim. At least both lights are on. I'm assuming because I saw a wire in here that was loose. I'm assuming probably the ground wire. But that's where we're at. Should be an interesting job. Now it's time to take the old wiring harness out of the car. Got all of the factory wiring out of the Camaro. This is how it's laid out inside of the car. Somewhat. So now I got it all out. I still have to take out this wiring that wasn't factory, that someone put in, like for this fan, and this wiring inside. This wiring inside is mainly for the radio, so I basically just have to clean it up, and for the instrument panel. Now it's time to install the painless wiring kit. Right, so got all the lights working. Just a quick walk around. Still got more to do, but got the lights working. Still got to hook up the reverse lights. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hook up the reverse lights. I got to look at the shifter and see, because it's an aftermarket shifter, to see if it has the reverse light switch and a neutral safety switch. But got the lights working, and also the starter is working, turns over. Left turn signal and park lights. Rear left turn signal and park lights. Right turn signal. Front. Right rear turn signal and park light. Headlights. These are the bright lights. You may notice that the park lights in the front don't come on with the headlights. Just how it's made. Okay, so I just hooked up the wipers. There's no arms on it, but you can see the arm moving, going faster. And that was the pump. I guess that was the pump making noise. No, that's the wiper linkage. I don't know if the pump is working. I have to check that. Just so happened that it made that clicking noise as I pushed it. And also the heater, you just listen. So the heat works. So I just hooked those two up on the Camaro. So we're moving right along.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now it's on to the next one.